In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Revolut Business. By the end, you'll know how to manually export your expenses, refine what's included with filters, and download your data as a CSV or PDF, complete with receipts in a tidy zip file. To start, open the Revolut Business web app on your computer and sign in. From the main menu, go to Expenses. This is where all card and out-of-pocket transactions submitted by you or your team appear. Before you export, it's worth taking a moment to refine what you'll include. Use the filters to narrow things down to exactly what you need, such as a specific date range, particular cards or categories, certain team members, or only expenses that have been approved. Getting the filters right up front will save you time later and keep your report focused. When the list on screen matches what you want, click Download Expenses. You'll see options to export your data as a CSV or a PDF. Choose CSV if you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet, or import it into accounting software because it keeps every field editable and easy to analyze. Choose PDF if you need a fixed, shareable snapshot for managers or auditors. When you export, Revolut packages everything into a zip folder that contains your chosen file, plus the receipt images, so you have the documentation alongside the data. Next, set the time period for your export. Revolut allows you to export up to 100 days at a time. For anything longer, like a full financial year, export it in parts. A simple approach is to select one quarter at a time, then repeat for the remaining quarters. That keeps each download manageable and ensures you don't miss transactions. As you export multiple ranges, consider using a clear naming pattern. For example, expenses 2025's Q1 CSV. So combining or archiving later is straightforward and consistent. Once you confirm your choices, the web app will prepare the file. Large exports can take a moment. Keep the tab open until the download starts. When it completes, check your downloads folder. If you exported a zip, unzip it, and you'll see your CSV or PDF plus a folder of receipts. Open the CSV in your spreadsheet to review totals, pivot by category, or reconcile with your ledger, and keep the receipts folder as your audit trail. And that's it. Navigate to Expenses, apply filters, click Download Expenses, pick CSV or PDF, select your date range up to 100 days, and for yearly reporting, export by quarter. You're all set to produce clean, reliable expense reports from Revolut Business.